Hey everyone, here's a question on how to convert a decimal to fraction. Now it's a simple one. So here we have a 5 questions and they are given decimal and we have to convert them into a fractional form. So let us start the first question, 0 0.5. Now here 0 0.5, if you see, whenever they give you in decimal form, you just see how many numbers are there after decimal. So here I have a one number. In this question I have after decimal one number, which is 5. So it's very simple. You might have learned this in your lower classes, that you can remove the decimal point and you can divide this with 10. So 0 0.5 will be equal to 5 by 10. Now after decimal, suppose you have a two numbers, then you get 100 in the denominator. So that many zeros you have to put in the denominator along with the 1. That's it. Now I got 5 by 10. Now this is a fraction form, but I can still reduce it. Reduce means I have to bring it to the lowest form. So try to cancel the numbers. So I'm going to cancel 5 and 10. Cancel means you have to keep on dividing with a number where both numerator and denominator is divisible. For example, 10 goes in 2 table, but 5 doesn't go in 2 table, so I cannot cancel this in 2 table. So I have to check for the number where both 5 and 10 goes. So the both number goes in 5 table, so I'm going to cancel this in 5 table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got here 1 by 2. Now you can see that 1 by 2 we cannot cancel further. That's it, right? We cannot cancel this further. So 0 0.5 fraction will be 1 by 2. So after converting into fraction form, try to reduce it and bring it to the lowest form. So 1 by 2 is the lowest form. We cannot cancel this further. So same thing we have to do for the next other questions. So we have first we have 0 0.4. So again after decimal we have one number. So this will be equal to 4 by 10. Now again we can cancel this. You can see that both number goes in 2 table. So I'm gonna cancel this in 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and then 2 5s are 10. So we'll get here 2 by 5. Okay. The next we have a number which is like a 3-digit number. So 0 0.285. So we have here a number. After decimal we have a 3 number, so it will be 285 divided by 1000, because 3 numbers are there after decimal, so that many zeros comes in denominator, so it becomes 1000. Now 285 and 1000, you might have learned the divisibility test or divisibility rule. The number which ends with a 5 and 0, they always go in 5 table, so I can cancel this in 5 table. So here I'm going to do the cancellation. So if you're in lower classes, if you're in smaller classes, you don't know how to cancel, you can divide it. You can divide 285 by 5 and whatever answer, whatever question you get, that will be your answer. You can do in that way also. Okay, here I'm going to do the cancellation. I'm going to cancel this in 5 table. So 5, here we have a 10, right? 5 2s are 10 and these 2 zeros are left. I'm going to put this 2 zeros. So I'm going to 200 here. Now 285 I'm going to cancel. 2 doesn't go, so I have to take 28 together, and we know that 5 5s are 25, so 5 5s are 25, but we have a 28, so 28 minus 25 will be 3. 3 is a remainder, so I'm going to write the 3 along with the 5 here. That makes the number 35, and 5 7s are 35. So here we got 57 by 200. Now what do you think? Can we cancel this further? We have 57, which is an odd number, and 200 is an even number, and we cannot cancel this further. We can you can check in different number, but we cannot cancel this number. So 57 by 200 will be the fraction here. The next we have 0 0.25. Same thing, 0 0.25 to 25 we have a our decimal we have a 2 number, so this will become 25 by 100. You can cancel this in 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and then this 0. Again 5 and 20 we have. Again we can cancel this in 5 table. 5 1s are 5 4s are. So this is equal to 1 by 4. We cannot cancel 1 by 4, so that will be the answer. The next one we have 0 0.333. So this is equal to, we have a after decimal we have a 3 number, so 333 divided by 1000. Now if you see here, we cannot cancel. See, 333 goes in 3 table, but 1000 doesn't go in 3 table, so we cannot cancel them, and this will be the reduced form. We cannot cancel this number. We don't have a number which is common, which can cancel both the numbers together. It's not possible, so this will be the answer. So I hope you have learned how to convert decimal to fraction. It's very simple. Once you just remove the decimal point, check how many digits are there, put that many zeros, and bring it to the reduced form. Now in case you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.